Pwede bang matanong yung AMLAC? Ah, ah, pwede lang kayong mag-act o mag-react kung merong predicate offense. Tama
Yes.
po ba?
That's correct po, Mr. Chair.
Now, when will a predicate offense exist for you to act?
For precinct, Mr. Chair, normally, we can, the process will proceed if we will be able to show the proof of the existence of the unlawful activity, Mr. Chair, which is normally the complaint, Mr. Chair.
So, if a complaint or a proper complaint is filed with the DOJ, pwede na yon na predicate offense.
Yes, Mr. Chair, even if it is not yet resolved, Mr. Chair.
When it is not,
Even if the case is not yet resolved on the prosecution level.
siyempre. Kasi kung na-resolve na yun, di ba, kung kailan i-file yung ipa-file ng DOJ sa appropriate court, di ba? Ang tinatanong lang namin is, kailan nagkakaroon ng predicate offense para makapag-react ang AMLAC? Yun ang gusto namin malaman eh.
We are presenting a copy of the complaint, Mr. Chair.
Now, in the case at hand, yung final na kaso ng NBI, would that consist already of a predicate offense?
That's already a predicate offense, Mr. Chair. That's why we are requesting for a copy of the complaint, Mr. Chair.
So if NBI or DOJ would provide you a copy of the complaint file, pwede na kayong kumilos.
We can proceed, Mr. Chair. In fact, our investigation is ready and we're just waiting.
So maliwanag. Now, NBI, in the last hearing of June 19, 2024, sinabi ni Prosecutor Richard Fadulyon, who was there representing the Department of Justice, that cases had been filed against numerous individuals involved in these illicit activities. Yun ang report niya. Now, na-mention dito, yung violations na na-commit at saka persons charged. Nandito kompleto eh. At sinabi niya, these cases are now under evaluation by the Task Force on Drugs at the DOJ and may proceed to preliminary investigation within 5 to 10 days. Ang report na ito ni Prosecutor Padulyon was in June. Yes, that was the last hearing eh. June 19, 2024. Nandito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th hearing. Sinabi ni Prosecutor Padulyon. So, kung sinabi niya yun na nakapile ng kaso noong 2019, from 2019 up to this date, ano po ang nangyari? Bakit hindi kayo makapag-report kung dinismiss ng DOJ o i-final yung kaso sa korte? Which is the normal course of things to happen. Ano? Ano na nangyari? Nakabitin doon sa DOJ? Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
So from June 19 up to July 10, wala pang action ng DOJ. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
No, we had a meeting I think last week, Mr. Chairman, that they're requesting for to include the names already because the warrant has been issued and we were already provided by the telecommunication company with the names of the numbers that was used by the suspects.
If the warrants were issued already, there is already a case in court.
No, the warrants for the
pwedeng mag-issue ng warrant yung DOJ.
No, Mr. Chairman, warrant for the disclosure of data of the cell phones.
Warrant for the disclosure. So, as it is, the ball is in the hands of the DOJ.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, it has been with them since June 19 to July 10, 21 days. June 19 eh. Ay, mali yung mathematics mo eh. Oh. So, ganun ang sitwasyon, current situation nito, kaso na ito. Now, LRA, nandito po ba?
Your Honor, good afternoon.
In the last hearing also, ang sabi niyong remedyo, mag-file ng list pendants at saka SCHIT or SCHIT proceedings
Yes, Your Honor, by the OSG.
by the
OSG, Your Honor.
OSG. Sa SCHIT proceedings, kailangan din ng predicate crime to be established.
I am not aware of the policy on SG proceedings,
Yun
Your
ang,
Honor.
yun
What
ang
I know,
sinugot ni Atty. Tamayo eh. If I remember it right.
yes, for as long as the OSG will file the case, Your Honor.
Hindi naman yun ang tinatanong ko. So, in other words, what you are trying to tell this committee is, kahit walang establishment of predicate crime,
Yes, Your Honor.
pwedeng mag-proceed sa SCHIT proceedings.
For as long as the complaint is filed in court, Your Honor.
Okay. Hindi pa tatlo lang ang action na pwede niyong gawin? Ano ba ang, yung sa tanong po ni Chairman Barbers, ano po ang susunod na gagawin po ninyo?
Your Honor, we can only annotate the request of the SEC that the corporate personality of Empire 999 has already been revoked, so that it will be a notice on our part in the event that there will be transaction respecting the properties owned by Empire 999. Number two, Your Honor, if there's already a complaint for SCHIT filed by OSG, we can also annotate a notice of list pendants.
Madam, kasi as far as I know, you only have three actions. Number one is file a notice of list pendants,
Yes, Your Honor.
a freeze order, and SCHIT proceedings.
Yes,
Which
Your
of the
Honor.
three would you avail of after...
Your Honor,
after
the remedies may be
Patapusin mo
exercised.
muna kasi ako, madam,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
bago ka sumagot.
I'm sorry.
Kasi after the revelation of SEC na na-cancel na yung registration na nila, would that be enough for you to go to either list pendants, freeze order, or SCHIT proceedings?
Your Honor, we cannot act on these actions unless there is a request filed by the government agency concerned. In this particular case, the SEC, the AMLAC, and the OSG.
The SEC and the AMLAC
AMLAC and OSG, Your Honor.
and OSG.
Yes, Your
Concurrent yung tatlo na yun.
Yes, Your Honor. We
Okay.
can avail those remedies
At
concurrently.
least clear po tayo doon. Now, may I go to PRA. In the last hearing, ang sabi po nyo, since 1985, 41,222 principal retirees have received visas since 1985, with a significant number being Chinese. Would you agree with were you the representative of PRA then? In the last June 19 meeting or hearing?
I was there, Your Honor, but I'm not the one who answered you.
Yes, but would you agree with the data presented by your representative then?
Yes, Your Honor. I think it was Your Honor.
Ang sinabi niya on record,
Ito ba?
PRA highlighted data as showing 41,222 principal retirees having received visas since 1985, with a significant number being Chinese nationals.
Yes, Your Honor. I think it was generated May 2024, if my recollection serves me right, Your Honor.
So since 1985, 41,000,
Yes, Your Honor.
and most
That
of them
was-
Chinese.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, this would include yung age bracket of 35 years. Kasi nabago lang ito noong 2021. Sabi po ninyo, it was raised to 50 years old.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, if I may I request that you give us a copy or a list of Chinese nationals availing of this protocol to acquire visa from 2016 up to the present.
Yes, Your Honor. We will provide the data, Your Honor.
Yes, yung from 2016 up to 2024.
Yes, Your Honor. I will check if I already have the documents. I will submit now. But if there's none, we will submit it as of
I
Your
said
Honor.
from 2016 to 2024.
Chinese nationals only.
Yes, for Chinese nationals
Yes, Your Honor.
who availed of this process of acquiring a visa.
Yes, Your Honor.
As-
We will comply.